Emma. You're gonna push it?
Okay, look. Here. Make a snowman.
What you doing, cutie? Hi.
Okay, here's the rest of our snowman. Stick. There you go.
Whoops.
Whoa! It's okay. There you go. You get up and you do it again.